Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances.
Hi guys! So today, my daughter asked me if I can help her to do a birthday cake for her friend's birthday na madali lang gawin. Tara! Samahan niyo ako and let's make a birthday cake using Koizumi multi-cooker. So now let's make confetti birthday cake. I have here Chef Jason to help me. So the ingredients we're going to use are butter, flour, white sugar, vanilla, baking powder, milk, eggs, assorted sprinkles, powdered sugar, butter, and cream cheese for our frosting. So first step, we will mix our cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar for our frosting. Cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar. Let's just mix it lang until medyo incorporated na siya, and then leave it sa chiller. Then we'll add salt. 2 pinch of salt is enough. Okay, so well incorporated na yung frosting natin. Let's leave it in the chiller. Then move on tayo dun sa cake mixture. So while nasa chiller yung frosting natin, let's make our cake. So first step, let's mix our butter and sugar. Sugar. Then gradually add our eggs. Habang nagmi-mix ako dito, Chef Jason, magmi-mix siya ng flour and baking powder with salt. Mix lang natin siya hanggang maging fluffy yung mixture. Gradually add your flour. First mix muna. And then milk. Then add lang natin siya unti-unti until mabuhos or malagay natin lahat ng flour and yung milk natin. So after natin siya ma-mix and makuha natin yung right consistency for our batter, let's add our vanilla and sprinkles. And after that, transfer na natin siya sa Koizumi multi-cooker natin. Let's cook it na in our Koizumi multi-cooker. After natin ma-fold yung sprinkles and our vanilla, transfer lang natin siya. So make sure ma-flatten natin yung mixture natin dun sa multi-cooker. So that's it, guys. Press rice, then start. So okay na yung cake natin. Medyo moist pa yung gitna. So allow it to carry over cook for siguro 10 minutes. So let's proceed to our plating. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So okay na yung cake natin. Medyo cold na rin siya. Pwede na tayo mag-add ng frosting natin. So here's our confetti birthday cake.